See, the Lakhimpur case, where farmers and some others were mowed down by a vehicle, is not only a disgrace to the state, but it is a national disgrace. Every person who tries to be a nationalist should hang his head in shame, especially those who are at the helm of affairs, and they are silent. But we must admit that at this juncture, the judicious intervention of the apex court has aroused the hope of every citizen that the judiciary is watchful and is prepared to be, and is in this particular case shown that they are the guardians of every citizen, though no order may have been passed against the government. And it has done that also very judiciously. But by not passing an order, questions that were raised during the hearing, the apex court has sent a firm, strong message what the court expects from them. The next hearing is on 28th October. It will be interesting to watch what the government and the investigating agencies present before the court. The incident is horrific, and I don't want to, though I am in politics, I am a politician, I would not like to look at it with political eyes, but to look at it with a human and conscious heart, which this country is known to have been a very sensitive to human beings. But today, we are losing it. Reasons, the people know it, people are worried to speak about it, and as I have said, those who are at the helm are quietly not even seem to be bothered about it. Have they hardened their hearts so much? It is worthy to recollect a great national slogan which was accepted across every section of society, that was coined during the term of our late Prime Minister Lal Bahadur Shastri, which was given by the Congress Party to this country. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Hail the soldier, hail the Jawan, hail the farmer. Now the Jawan are the ones who are also expressing their dissatisfaction. They are not happy with the remuneration they get, the conditions that sometimes they live in, and all they do to keep us citizens secure. Because the enemy around the borders are prowling to enter and finish us. And they are the ones who are risking their lives, laying down their lives to keep us secure. The farmer, the Jai Kisan, hail the farmer, is the one who brings our daily bread to our tables. And they are being slaughtered. Was it? What is this? How do we have a conscience to see this happening in a so-called civilized democratic country? I'm not worried in which state it has happened. It is a national shame. Now, every nationalist leader worth his or her salt should strongly condemn this anti-national act, which in fact is crushing India's glory. I would like to appeal to people, awaken your consciences and come out and say that this is not India we are looking forward for. Thank you.